The TV's getting so boring. Oh, I wonder who that could be. Could it be my package? Oh my god. If it is, I'm gonna freak. I think it is. No one's at the door. I don't see anyone. It's gotta be my package. Oh my goodness, exciting. Eek. Ah! It came. It came. Oh my gosh. Best day ever. So I can't wait to get her open. Beautiful. Boxing. Oh, packing peanuts. Okay, I'll open my doll last. Here's the brush. All the receipts and catalogs and all that. Oh my god, she is so beautiful. Here's the Meet Samantha book. And here's Samantha. Oh my god, she is so gorgeous. I love her.